Hey, good morning. Yes, it is. It is Tuesday, the 11th of November. So today I thought it's not going to be a long video, and it's going to be something that we're going to be doing here at the channel that I'm going to be doing. But I really need your input on it, and I have some outside people that do YouTube videos looking at it, and I'm getting their input. And one of the things is that it's great that we produce a video every day, but the quality isn't there, and they were concerned about that, and that if I spent doing 2 videos a week instead of doing 7 plus, that I could increase the quality and the content of the video to better match what YouTube is looking for. You know, big thing is you guys. What do you guys see? What do you guys not see that you don't want to see, or that you're seeing that you want to continue? Because it all boils down to you guys. You are the ones that are sticking with me in the channel through thick and thin. And, I'm kind of thick-skinned anyways, so I rather have people be honest with me about it. If they don't like the direction the channel's going, speak up. Say something. If you do, then, I always found that most people that will leave feedback are ones that are really pissed or ones that are really happy. Everybody else kind of, and that's true in business, right? Whether it's your shop or what have you, that you only hear those two. They're really good and they're really pissed off. So if you could today, if you take time out of your day, I'm not going to make any major changes here in the next couple of days, but I'm not going to make a regular video this morning. I'm doing this is to let me know what it is you like, what are your dislikes, where do you want to see the channel go. They always say, well, it's up to you, it's your direction. Well, this channel isn't all about me. This channel is about you guys and about us sharing our knowledge and camaraderie and friendship, over a coffee at the local diner or stuff. It's not about trying to get a gazillion views and a million people. I just want people to enjoy themselves while they're watching the video or listening to the video on podcast. And well, let me know. I guess I've been struggling with this pneumonia. I got swelling in the feet and the legs because I'm sleeping in a chair, and the other things going on. So I haven't really paid much attention to any of this. I just been trying to get quality, something up that people could understand and relate to. So on that note, I'll see you here probably right now tomorrow morning, but comment today if you can, or when you watch this video, comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. You don't have to be a YouTube guru to give me ideas and thoughts. And the YouTube gurus aren't going to dictate how this channel goes if you guys want it a certain way. So on that note, we'll catch you here tomorrow morning.